Hi. So I finally got my drone to move, and then it took off, and I did some configurations on the control, and then make sure I set the parameters for the height, and tested the drone. After several field attempts, finally took off, and then I was able to get some flight. Although this drone is badly damaged because it kind of hit a tree and several objects. I'm not so sure, but I'm sure it has something to do with a defective piece on the drone. But nevertheless, the drone is up in the sky, and I was able to get. Yeah, at this point, I'm going under the drone to see how much of the breeze I could get, and it's a lot. So the drone can actually cause a lot of damage to body parts. So it's essential for you to be careful when you fly these drones. And here's the area view of the center city from Fairmount Park Area 1 picnic. I was able to get a round view, and then the drone comes down from the trees. It's a nice scenic view. So nice scenic view, and that's the road of Fairmount Park, one of the flyable roads, and this drone is pretty nice. Just that I most likely got a defective piece. That's what I'm thinking happened. Or maybe after it hits the tree, kind of damaged the controller. Getting GPS signal is tough, so it's pretty tough to do that. So, but at least I'm glad I'm able to get I think 2 flights from this drone before I get a replacement for it, or before my replacement comes. So, it's nice flight. It was cool. Get the new replacement, then I can take more flight and actually order a different type of drone, one that avoid collision. I don't know how that exactly might work, how if that will work better than this, but I'll wait for that to come, and then I can do some test flights and then see how it look like. But pretty much that's it, folks. Droneflies, something you can use for different functionality. If you do construction, you can actually take it off. You can actually look at your roof in your house. So try to climb your roof to go see if you got some leaks. You can do initial inspection with your drone, fly it up there. Although some drones don't really fly where you have them within the building, so you have to look at the type. So based on what you want to do, that's what I would advise for you to go shopping. So if you're trying to do some inspection, you have to shop for drones that can actually do inspection. For agricultural purposes, they have different type of drones that they use for those purposes too. For area view, photographs, so different drone. Just depends on what you want to do. Okay, folks, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye.